Hello everyone, I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I thought I'd just go down the decor. I kind of skipped over some of the entrance. The Christmas aisle hasn't been changed over yet at all for spring or Valentine's, so I thought I'd come down the home decor. These are gold. Check out what's kind of around here. These are pretty. What do you call this when they're like frosted like that versus the shiny? If you need tea light holders, they have these packages and also the little tea lights. I know it always looks nice for Christmas dinner as well, or even just who lights a candle sometimes when you're having dinner. It does change things, like if you try that at home. Sometimes we think, oh, you see it at a restaurant, like, oh, these are new. See this? This must be part of the spring. It's a nice wide pot. And they're not my favorite colors, but at least they're something new here. They have a couple of the beaded strings and the rings. I know some of you have been searching for this. So they have square beads as well. And sometimes, yeah, see, these are much better value, so much longer versus a small string. And they have quite a few different wreath forms. Check out these. They have the most beautiful top. It almost looks like a diamond. It even has rainbow effect. You can remove them and stick them on like a lid. Oh, so beautiful for a glam DIY. They also have a lot of clear vases, so if you're needing something for in the coming months, bridal showers, baby showers, they have a great variety here at Dollar Tree. I spotted these a few days ago at another Dollar Tree, but they were in the checkout area, and these are at the back of the store. So it looks like they're supposed to be Seinfeld, The Office, and Friends trivia cards. So this time of year, you will see more and more calendars, planners, agendas, those types of things. But sometimes these large, I guess, yeah, weekly planners, monthly planners, they are harder to come across. So these little ones have been out for a little while. I like that there aren't any lines in them. They're just little blank squares. I find it's easier sometimes to jot down your notes. I have never seen Pringles this size, at least. I feel like maybe really small packages, but not this size. And they also have the sour cream and onion. So a few salt and vinegar, original, and sour cream and onion. Oh, look what they have here. I'm going to grab another pack. This popcorn made by Bad Monkey is sometimes at TJ stores like Marshall's, HomeSense. My daughter likes these. She's going to have a couple of her friends over. I did buy a big bag at Costco of Lay's and Munchies, but I know she likes these rings, so I'll add that into the party mix. Well, into a bowl for their little get-together. Grab some juice, I think, for them as well. Honestly, I cannot keep up. I buy these for my son all the time, and he eats them, I think, like potato chips. So they're just rice crackers, and he just loves them. What else do they have here? Little wafers. I feel like I got some lemon ones once, and I don't think it was by this brand. I feel like it was, I don't even know how to pronounce this brand, but I feel like it was made by this one here. And they were so good. They were flat and wide. I'm just making sure the expiry is good because I've been picking up some stuff at Dollar Tree and then looking at the expiry and noticing that they're no longer are no longer good. I love having these out for Christmas too. I do a variety of little treats on a display. Do you know that these So Sweet packages have Chupa Chupas in them? I didn't know that. And this is new at Dollar Tree. I've never seen the Sweet 16. I might grab them. The kids like to have their little treats when they get together. I love these in a display as well. Do you like crybabies? So these are new, or they're new packaging at least. They have scrubbing, what is it, scrubbing bubble? I can't remember, at another store. If I find it here, I'll share them with you. Little pine scented beads. I can't smell anything. Here are the scrubbing bubbles, and also some other beads, a couple different kinds. My daughter was asking for a little juice container. Do you think that these are, do they seal well? Or something like this? I'm not sure. She has water bottles, but she was just looking for a cute juice container. Don't ask. Do not ask. Things go through these kids' heads, and then, you know, they're like, how about this, Mom? Is Jell-O? I don't know if Jell-O is a better buy at Dollar Tree or if it's a better buy somewhere else, but I know I can't find pistachio Jell-O just about anywhere. This is a really great find here at Dollar Tree. Both things of giant clamato and this here. This is for making mixed drinks, I think. And it's a bit more pricey everywhere else. Have you tried these? They're body washes, but I would almost use them as hand soaps. And do any of them smell nice? Each of them have a different scent. Oh my goodness. I think these are like $10 soaps, if I'm not mistaken. And they have some new Vaseline, aloe vera, and sensitive lips. So this time of year with the cold, our lips are always cracking and chapping. It's crazy. I won't use chapstick all summer. Pretty much can go without it. And then the winter, I can't live without it. I'm wondering if I should grab this little tool for my daughter. She's been working on her nails quite a bit lately. She goes into my stuff and then plays with it. Lots of faux lashes. I was going to say lots of nails. Pretty lipstick color for the holidays. They have lots of blending sponges, brushes. There's a little quartz roller. Does anyone know if it feels nice? So I was going to pass through all of the Christmas stuff because I know we've seen it all, but these are new to me, and I think they're really nice as embellishments for paper crafts. So I spotted some Indeed, not this one here, but two other products at a different Dollar Tree, so it looks like they're getting more Indeed products. Also found a day in, day out organizer, but it was a lot larger. These are going really fast. All the satin stuff. I think that this is a new line of nail polish. So they have the clear pink hue and then the clear. Just a quick peek here, but they have some brand named items on the shelf here as well. In case you're going out to your Dollar Tree in the coming days. These mugs are new to me. I've never seen them before. They have a sublimation print and they look quite sturdy. They're deep, they're tall. I like their shape. They're a bit unique, right, compared to the standard ones that we always see. So here's another one. Nothing too new here in the dishware aisle. I'm sure we'll see something for spring soon. Just gathering some jars for our DIY hot cocoa bar. So I'm going to grab some things here. I love this. There's little Disney characters for the car air fresheners. So it looks like Tinkerbell, Lilo and Stitch, Mickey, and it looks like there's Minnie here too because I see her bow. Cute, right? And then they have a little tree. And these little lights I think are new. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. This little outfit that Bear is wearing is actually from Dollar Tree. He wouldn't cooperate and let us put his arms or his front legs through the front sleeves, but he still looked cute, I think. Anyways, I hope you're all enjoying the week ahead. And if you celebrate Christmas or whatever you may be celebrating in the coming days, I hope that you have a peaceful week. And until next time, everyone, thank you so much for allowing me to share with you today. Bye for now.
Oh, so bittersweet, a bittersweet Christmas. I walked by all these windows, there was light, people laughing, drinking wine. I wished you were by my side, thinking, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh, so